Okay there.
Hello. So today we're doing our day sail, my first practice sail, and we are going towards Lagos, is that right?
Largo Bay.
Largo Bay. And our depth is 68.9 metres, our speed is...
Apart from sailing quite fast.
We are tacking, we are going out to sea, we're travelling at 5.5 knots, the wind is 14.5 knots, we're close hauling with the wind coming in on our port side at about 50 degrees.
Brilliant. Are we having fun yet?
Yeah, it's scary, but good, very good, very good.
Cool.
Very good.
Good stuff. Giving this foot a rest. That's so much pressure on it. Okay, 26 knots, half the main and all the jib out, we're doing 5 knots into the current. So, hard work.
So we started in Wick, that's where we are now, Renault Grapes, and hopefully the Orkneys.
Having fun yet?
Am I having fun? Hell yeah.
Sarah, how's the anxiety?
Very low actually. It's gone really, really well today. It's been really wonderfully wild.
It's wild.
Right, so we've just left Tiko and our wind speed is 18 knots and we're on our way at 3.8 knots to Scapa Bay.
That's a really lovely photo you took of Wayne.
Fishing sunglasses.
Good morning, so we're just leaving, where are we leaving? Stromness. It's about 5:15 in the morning. Looks like we've got a good broad reach, lovely sail all the way down towards Cape Rock. It should take about 10 hours and we are very much looking forward to it. Got some nice sandwiches as well. Word around the campfires.
Bye bye, lovely people.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Lovely time.
Yeah, thank you so much for everything. Bye.
Okay, Al, what's going on in the kitchen then?
Today we are cooking leeks.
Mm.
Look how beautiful.
Mm.
And we're gonna use up all these eggs because we've bought a fuck ton of eggs without realising.
Mm.
We'll do an eggy, cheesy vegetable bake thing. Well, this is our first stop on the west coast.
Yeah,
Or was it our second?
I think it's our second.
Maybe it's our second. So yeah, the Hebrides await.
Excellent. So, just got here. This is at Melvick Beach. It's really beautiful. It's a bit drizzly, so not many people here. Took about 2 hours to hike here from Edinburgh, which was quite hard. Helmswoman
Hello, Alice Walker here.
checking in.
Helmswoman
She's
extraordinaire. We are exploring the west coast, right at the top of Escocia, Scotland. And, well, what is there to say? Lots of big rocks, covered in green and purple heather.
we did see sea eagles there.
Yeah, except I don't think I did.
Don't own up to that on camera. It's already
You'll
on
see
there.
more.
Right, okay. Just leaving Kinloch Bovey. Excuse the wind noise if there is any. It's really beautiful here. Pretty craggy. There are some nice beaches. We did a bit of a dinghy safari. Okay, chef, what's going on?
Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're doing cucumber, cheese and ham. What a revelation.
The key thing is we're making our dinner while we're going along.
Yes, this is a first.
This is the first. Very good.
The sea is smooth, the sun is out,
Yeah. Very good.
it's beautiful.
How's Wayne today?
All good, just happy.
I see you got the safari outfit on. Good. Good
I
stuff.
like this up, it's a nice one.
All right.
We love you.
Hey, look, it stopped raining just as you go. Awesome. What are we up to?
We left Lochinvar after a few days of being trapped. And now we're going to Turbot. Turbot?
Tarbert.
Tarbot. Captain has abandoned his post. What have you got to say for yourself?
Guilty. Charged. That's rough out there.
It is raining.
Good morning. So we are leaving Tarbert on Harris, continuing with our journey south. we're going to try and find a beach to anchor up, get some shelter from a pretty cold northerly wind. It's not doing anything at the moment, but we're in the lee of an island.
It's very beautiful and the sea's pretty calm. Yeah, I'm pretty gassy from last night.
Pretty gassy. Is that going on the video? Oh my god. We've got Alice, who is sleepy guys on her off watch. Lovely coastline, sun coming out now and again. Really good. Here we are, just coming into our anchorage. It's still raining, but the water looks really clean and clear, and we're definitely very well sheltered here. So it's okay, yeah. So we just slight detour here. Went round the Mull super fast and spotted Sander Island, and that is quite beautiful. So we're going to do a circumnav of this island. There's a couple of anchorages here, but we can't really do that. We've got admin stuff to do in Campbelltown, so there you go. Beautiful. It's the lighthouse at the edge of Sander Island. So we left at about 11, left Campbelltown at 11, and this is just the most gentle sail around. I guess we'll get into Largs about 8 o'clock. It'll still be daylight, of course, this far north, so that's okay.